Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Kia Telluride SX in glacial white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, smart cruise control, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7314A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.